many times, in so many places, Christ healed the sick. At one point in time, as he was passing by, he saw a man. He was a man who had no sight from his mother's womb. But when he met Jesus Savior, he wasn't the same. He was blind, he never saw a thing since his birth. And many people who had seen him before, they wondered, isn't he the one, the man who had no sight, who couldn't see? How come today your eyes are open? He had this to say. When I met a man called Jesus, he spat on the ground and made clay of the speedo, anointed him my eyes, and told me, go to Siloam, go wash in that pool. And then I did as he said. That's how I got my sight.
He brought sight to many people, Jesus Christ. I now can see the signs of the times everywhere. Feel God, give him glory, his judgment hour is come. Like a thief he will come, better choose the Lord today.
When I met a man called Jesus, he spat on the ground and made clay of the speedo, anointed him my eyes, and told me, go to Siloam, go wash in that pool. And then I did as he said. That's how I got my sight. When I met a man called Jesus, he spat on the ground and made clay of the speedo, anointed him my eyes, and told me, go to Siloam, go wash in that pool. And then